Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Enable Website Design. In this video we are going to discuss how you can change background color for sticky header in Elementor website. Here you can see this transparent header is created with Elementor page builder. So now when I scroll down, here you can see, so it is a sticky header that stuck on the top. So now let me log in into my website. And after that, let me show you how you can create this type of header. So currently here you can see in my demo website there is no sticky header. So in the dashboard I have installed some plugins and I'm using theme that's called Asta WordPress theme. Here you can see. And after that, let me go in the plugins. So if you want to create a sticky header, you must have installed Asta add-on. Let me show you how it looks. Here you can see how you can get, you can search for Asta Pro, then here you can get and install in plugins. But you only want to use Elementor Pro to create website header. Then how you can change the background color for this sticky header, as this option is some tricky. So let me go in the theme builder and after that click here Elementor header, then edit. So now first of all I need to make this header sticky. Now let me go in the section settings. Here you can see 6 dots on the top of the section, then style, and after that advanced, then motion effects, then here you can see sticky option top, and after that publish and reload the page. So now if I scroll down, now here you can see header is stuck, and now here I can add a background color. Let me go back, style, then adding background color for this header black, and here I can change the text color to the white. Menu item, then white color. Okay, so now again let's reload the page. So now here you can see there is no transparent header. So how we can make this? Again let me go back in the section settings, then under the style tab scroll down. Here you can see scrolling effects, then transparency, and after that viewport 0, then here you can go for the 10. Okay, and after that scroll down, then here you can see effects relative to entire page, and then click publish. So now let's reload the page. So guys, now here you can see we have our transparent header. So basically in our transparent header text is white, but here you can see according to our sections we don't have a background color here. We need to add a background color so that the white color should look a clear form. So if I scroll down, now here you can see it's working fine.